Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox my personal favorite car and casting as well, which is this, the Lamborghini Countach LP400. I was really waiting to get this casting in India, in a single, uh, because I kept one in my showcase and I really wanted one to keep being my pocket car kind of thing. So luckily I was able to get this one. So I bought this for MRP, which is 399. So this is by Majorette and this is from the racing car series. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, let me take the car out as well. Okay, so here is the card art. This card art is really beautiful. Honestly, I love the racing series card art compared to the vintage ones. This is more dynamic than that one, and even here you can see this is more dynamic than that one. So this showcases the feature I know this particular model has, and here you can see the specification of this car. Okay, so let's move to the car now. Okay, here is the gorgeous Countach. Honestly, this looks so beautiful. In this red color, this looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm really happy that they went with a transparent windshield instead of tinting it out and making it look really shit. So you can see the interior detailing here, that looks really nice. The seats and everything. That is true to this particular casting. And one of my personal favorite thing, it has acrylic headlights, so that is really beautiful for this particular casting. So the windshield does have some scratches. Again, this is specific to mine. Yours might not have that. And it has tail light detailing as well, that looks really nice. And this is a full metal body, including the spoiler, that is also metal. And the chassis is plastic, the wheels are plastic. So the rims are actually painted in golden color, so that actually matches well with this red color, if you ask me. For some strange reason I'm feeling that. So because this is the same similar yellow which they are using for this uh, Lamborghini logo here. So you can see the logo being at least a little bit good compared to the Hot Wheels version, which we that Huracan which we unboxed. So the logo placement and even the lettering here, the Lamborghini is clear, and the Countach, yes, that is also clear. And this has openable scissor doors, which I personally love. Okay, so this is the maximum you can actually push, but it looks really cool. You can see the interior here, this side also. That looks really nice, and it snaps back into place. It is not loose or anything. And I think this is a air intake for the engine to cool it down. It has all the details which are really beautiful. Let's see if it has suspension. I think it has. Yeah, it does has, but it's still is closer to the ground. At least it is not too high up like they did with the Cyan in the Deluxe edition. So this one is, the casting is really beautiful. It is wide and it is somewhat true to scale compared to Hot Wheels and all. Okay, let's weigh this casting. 40 grams, not bad. Okay, let's roll this car. It does roll really nice. Okay, the front wheel wobbles a lot. It does create a lot of noise. I think it does threading on the tires. I didn't notice that. Let me see that. Yeah, it does threading on the tires, on the sides actually, and it does have the rear view mirrors, which is unique. I mean, true to this particular casting. It is not just there for just because they wanted to keep something there. This is somewhat true to this particular casting. That is really nice. It does roll good. It's not rolling really well, but it rolls good, even though the wheels wobble a lot. Okay, let's rate this casting again. We are not considering roll test and everything for this. We are going with the common things which everyone is going to face. So see, this windshield scratch is specific to mine, so that is not we are not considering that one. So apart from that, it is actually a little bit concave and painted on top of it. I mean, they did really well for this price range. So I'm honestly giving a 10 out of 10 at this point, and I don't see any issue with it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.